We're out on a bike packing adventure. Going out Castle Creek, going to the campground. Should be fun. Got everything we need on the bike. And it's so pretty. Ooh. Not bad for October 28th. I think this is a good spot to check out the creek and give the pup a break. She's a little tired. Hey, good job. Good job, pup. Don't go all the way in. Good girl, D. We made it to the campground. That's always a good spot. This one's a good spot. So we got it to ourselves. Alright, I think this is the spot. We have a fire. We got Denali. Hey, come here. Come on, pup. She ran like 7 miles. She did so good. Come here, pup. Are you tired? Yeah, did you get a drink of water? Good girl. I think this is the spot. It's pretty cool. Right along the creek. Got white noise. Yeah, just a super sweet area. Love this campground. And we are the only ones. Me and D. Okay, go get it. Good job, pup. Oh, we were cold, so we got up for a little sunrise hike. Oh, it was beautiful. Still a little chilly, but still amazing. Castle Peak flag. This makes me think of another time when I was here with Colleen. Great view. Camp is right down there. All right, ready, pup? Let's go. All right, see you later, Castle Peak. Let's get down to the creek, do some fishing. We got one. Oh no, we got darn it, had one.